Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about BONK Coin, one of the most talked about meme coins in the Solana ecosystem. We'll go over its current price, factors affecting its future, and our price prediction for 2025. BONK Coin has been gaining attention due to its strong community and increasing use cases within the Solana network. As of now, BONK is trading at approximately $0.000013. The recent surge in activity on the Solana blockchain, coupled with growing adoption of BONK for payments, staking, and DeFi applications, has contributed to its price movements. One of the key factors influencing BONK's price is the overall growth of the Solana blockchain. As more developers build decentralized applications on Solana, the demand for BONK is expected to rise. Another major factor is the broader cryptocurrency market trend. If the market remains bullish in 2025, BONK could see significant gains, similar to previous meme coin rallies. Looking at price predictions, BONK is expected to reach $0.00005 by the end of 2025 if adoption continues at its current pace. A more optimistic scenario, based on strong community backing and wider use in the Solana ecosystem, could push BONK to $0.00008 or higher. However, like all cryptocurrencies, BONK comes with risks. The crypto market is highly volatile, and meme coins are especially prone to large price swings. Investors should also consider potential challenges within the Solana ecosystem that could impact BONK's future. Despite these risks, BONK remains a cryptocurrency with strong potential due to its active community and increasing use cases. As always, do your own research before investing and stay updated with the latest developments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.